costs more than waste: lives, safety, and billions. The promise of efficiency, or a dangerous experiment. In 2024, Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, was unleashed with a single mission: slash federal jobs deemed wasteful under its controversial mandate from former President Donald Trump. But what happens when a department staffed with political loyalists and Silicon Valley disruptors, armed with little government experience, starts firing first and asking questions later? The answer is chaos. Chaos that's endangering national security, public health, and taxpayer dollars. The USDA debacle, firing the people stopping the next pandemic. Last week, the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, proudly announced a partnership with DOGE to optimize its workforce. By Tuesday, the tone shifted. Turns out, DOGE had accidentally fired several employees critical to containing the H5N1 bird flu outbreak, a crisis already driving egg prices to record highs and stoking fears of another pandemic. The USDA scrambled to rectify the situation, but the damage was done. These weren't paper pushers. These were experts managing a biological time bomb. When efficiency measures prioritize speed over expertise, the stakes aren't just dollars, they're lives. Nuclear security, casualty of a Friday afternoon email. At the Department of Energy, DOE, DOGE's cuts went from aggressive to catastrophic. Last Thursday, 300 staffers at the National Nuclear Security Administration, NNSA, the agency safeguarding America's nuclear arsenal and preventing global nuclear trafficking, were fired via email and marched out of their offices. By Friday, reality hit. The agency admitted it needed to rehire some of those fired, but couldn't. Why? They had no way to contact them. Imagine. The people who know where our nuclear secrets are stored, how to secure them, and who to trust abroad. Gone. No offboarding. No transition. Just a blunder that leaves America's most dangerous weapons vulnerable. The $8 billion typo, when savings become a joke. DOGE's crown jewel, claiming it slashed an $8 billion contract with Immigration and Customs Enforcement, IC. Musk touted it as proof of his mission success. But the New York Times exposed the truth. The contract wasn't $8 billion. It was $8 million. Someone at DOGE misplaced a decimal point, inflating their savings by $7.992 billion. Let that sink in. A department created to eliminate waste just wasted its own credibility. Worse, it reveals a culture of carelessness. If they can't distinguish millions from billions, what else are they missing? The human cost of disruption. DOGE's layoffs aren't just about spreadsheets. They're about public health experts fighting to prevent another COVID-level disaster, nuclear specialists keeping weapons out of terrorist hands, career civil servants whose institutional knowledge can't be replaced by a tweet. This isn't efficiency, it's institutional arson. And while DOGE boasts about cutting waste, the real waste is the expertise, safety, and trust being burned to the ground. A wake-up call. Efficiency requires competence. Elon Musk's DOGE is a case study in the dangers of letting ideology override governance. Yes, government bloat exists, but replacing it with reckless cuts, led by those who don't understand how government works, is like performing brain surgery with a chainsaw. Thousands more layoffs are coming. How many more crises will DOGE accidentally trigger? How many more typos will cost billions? How many secrets will leak because fired employees weren't properly offboarded? Efficiency matters, but when the pursuit of efficiency ignores reality, the price isn't just wasted money. It's wasted lives, wasted security, and a wasted future. DOGE isn't fixing government, it's breaking it. And once broken, some things can't be undone. Wake up, America, before it's too late. Tags: government efficiency, Elon Musk, public safety, national security, federal policy. H5N1, nuclear security, taxpayer waste. This blog post is a commentary on recent reporting about DOGE's actions. Sources include federal agency statements and investigative journalism.